Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Windows Update service missing from Services.msc. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type cmd command prompt. Click run as administrator over here guys, wait for it. Click run as administrator and click yes. And you just need to check my video description for this couple comments guys. You just need to copy and paste it in. Copy it and tap the bar, right click edit and paste it in guys. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Let's wait for it to complete it. After finishing this verification 100% complete guys, go and copy the next command in my video description guys. Just need to copy it and tap the bar, right click edit and paste it in guys. Press enter. Wait for it to complete guys. This also need to get 100%. Wait for it. After finishing this 100% complete guys, you just need to close out of here and restart it. After restarting your PC, you can able to search for Windows Update service guys. That will be appear in. You can able to start it. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.